Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. In this week's video, we're going to have a look at the noose. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at the knot school. I hope you enjoy it. The noose. So the noose, a knot with a relatively grim historical association, is actually not the same knot as the hangman's noose. The noose is a type of knot in the category of knots known as hitch knots. And while its primary function is to create an adjustable loop at the end of a line, the noose is a hitch knot and used to attach a rope to an anchor point, such as a ring, a rail, or a post. The noose is sometimes called a running knot or a slip knot, and it actually is incorrect to refer to the noose as a slip knot, because a slip knot is in fact a slippery overhand knot, which is a stopper knot. Structurally, the noose resembles some other hitch knots, and it has the half knot in its foundation. One standard method of tying the noose is to form a loop near the end of your working line, and then pass your standing part through that loop. Then cinch up the knot. You can find the noose being used in a lot of applications where a simple hitch knot is required, in activities such as arborists, camping, sailing, and boating, and also for some home and garden applications. Another application for the noose is to use it as a snare for small animals. However, for this application, the poacher's knot is a much better option. The primary risk associated with the noose is its potential to cause severe injury or death if it's misused. Its tightening action can create a constricting loop that is difficult to release under tension. You can find the noose as knot number 1114 on page 204 of the Ashley Book of Knots. Are you ready to master the noose and a world of other knots? Unlock your knot tying potential with the Knot School. Start your free 14-day trial today and gain instant access to our exclusive library of easy-to-follow tutorials and a supportive community, risk-free. I hope to see you there.